The Eisenhower Matrix is a tool named after the 34th President of the United States. Its purpose is to improve productivity and also time management by ordering tasks by urgency and importance. Firstly, you need to understand how the Eisenhower Matrix works. Also, you must determine where each task belongs in the chart. Furthermore, think of any task you have, which is outstanding. Is this task urgent and vital? If the answer is yes, then you need to do it now. On the other hand, is the task not essential but critical? In this instance, you should delegate the responsibility or outsource it to another professional. The benefit of using the Eisenhower Matrix is that it will enable you to concentrate on the more critical and urgent tasks. As a result, you will see a drastic improvement when it comes to analyzing results. You should use the matrix whenever you create a new task, or whenever you're checking through your task list. It is surprising just how many do not use the matrix. As a result, countless people end up spending time on tasks and projects which are not relevant. Get into the habit of always using the matrix. It is vital for you when looking to achieve success. Also, if some of the world's most successful individuals use it, then this should be proof enough for you to start adding it into your routine. If you do not start using it, then you will find yourself falling well behind. Also, it is remarkably easy to use, and once you get familiar with its operation, it will become part and parcel of your daily workflow.
Subscribe now for the next video.